Mark Hamrock here with Hamrock Music Instruction. In this lesson, we're going to talk about proper playing position, which includes your sitting position, how you hold the guitar, and your hand position. Playing with proper form and technique will enable you to perform more efficiently with less fatigue, so you can practice the 10 hours a day you need to become the next guitar immortal. So first of all, as a disclaimer, there are definitely plenty of guitarists, including very well-known ones, that don't use perfect proper technique, yet still become great guitar players. Stevie Ray Vaughan, Eric Clapton, and even probably Jimmy Page are good examples of this. The reality is that for each of these guys, there are thousands of other guitarists who hit a brick wall because of their lack of technique and can't progress any further without correcting it. So with that being said, you can safely say you're only going to get better results playing with good technique. So let's start with your sitting position. There are three main ways to hold the guitar. The first we'll call casual position. With casual position, you want the curvature of the guitar resting on your right leg or left leg if you're left-handed, and the neck parallel or slightly raised to the ground. Make sure that you're relaxing both your shoulders and your left elbow is not sticking into your side. Electric guitars tend to be better balanced if you let go of them as opposed to acoustic guitars, which tend to be top-heavy and fall forward. With either instrument, though, you want to counterbalance the guitar with the right arm so that the neck is free floating. The point being that you don't want to have to hold the neck up with the left hand. With casual position, it may feel like you have to twist your left wrist a little bit at first to finger some chords properly, but eventually you'll get used to the positioning. The second form of sitting position is classical position, where the left leg is propped up using a footstool to provide a stable resting place for the guitar. This angles the neck to bring it closer to your body, allowing for a more natural left-hand position. The disadvantage to classical position is that it twists your spine a little bit, which can make it uncomfortable during long practice sessions. With that being said, I do have some electric guitar students that actually prefer sitting in the classical position. With either sitting position, you want to sit with your back straight and you want the guitar to be slightly tilted back, just enough to see each string in your line of sight. If you have to hunch over the instrument, the guitar is too vertical and you're bending your back. The third way to hold the guitar is to stand and use a guitar strap. If you're going to do this, the strap should be adjusted so it maintains the guitar at the same height as either casual or classical sitting positions. I know it doesn't look as cool as having your guitar down at your feet, but your body will thank you and your shredability will improve tenfold by doing this. So with any sitting or standing position, the most important thing to remember is that you should feel relaxed and comfortable and not play with excess tension. This is easier said than done, especially for beginners, but it is super important to remember. Hope you enjoyed that lesson. We'll see you soon.